I'm going to make video on the basic application training regarding to the SIAM. Basically, you can see this is nothing but basic SIAM, which is made by Allinger company. Actually, this instrument is used into the Euro OT, in ortho OT, in surgery OT, to take the internal images of the patient. Right? It is used in two ways. We can use it as a simple X-ray machine as well as for the live fluoro. So what are the different parts of this machine? See, this is C-arm because its shape is like a C-shape. That's why it is called C-arm. It is an X-ray tube. This is nothing but your detector. So before starting this machine, first thing you have to always remember. See, this is your main machine and this is a console. You have to make the connection between console and machine. So they have provided one cable. You can observe. Okay, this is the basic cable which is provided to make the connections between SIAM and Workstation. So you can observe how to connect it. So you have to remember one thing, before making connection between these two instruments, never switch on the machine. First you have to connect this connector. Come close. How to connect? See, here you can see one name, detachable connector, right? This is nothing but your detachable connector. You have to put it like this properly. Press it. Right, your connector get fixed properly. Next thing, you have to connect power cord. Then make it on. Once you connected power cord, come close. You will observe this symbol. That means your machine is connected to the central power. Right. You can observe display here. Wait for some time. Machine is under booting process. Wait for some time. It takes few seconds. Now machine is under booting process. Till its booting get completed, I will tell you basic things regarding to the SIAM. Come close. See, these are nothing but basic control panel of the machine, right? So if you want to make SIAM up and down, that time you have to use these two switches. To make it up, you have to press long press, right? To make it down, you have to use it at a long press. Next thing, come close. This is nothing but kV and MA. To increase the quality of image, we can adjust the kV and MA with help of these two switches. So for this machine, they have make one advanced technology, that is ABS. What is by ABS? It is a adjustable automatically brightness settings, like that means automatically machine get adjust its own brightness. You doesn't require to adjust kV and MA. Right? If you are not satisfied with the image quality, you go for adjustment of kV and MA. Right? So how to switch on the machine? So for that you have to just press it. Now machine gets switch on. Whenever you are going to switch on the machine will always on the fluoroscopy mode. See, this is nothing but live fluoroscopy and this is nothing but simple X-ray mode. So at the time of OT, you have to use in the OT always in the fluoroscopy mode. Actually it have three modes: single pulse, double pulse, right? So in this machine they have provided a single pulse mode. That means continuously it gives shoot. See, I will show you one demo how to. Suppose you have to long press. See, machine get in the upward direction, right? Okay. To make it down, you have to press it like this. Machine comes down, right? Only this movement is allowed with help of the switches. Remaining all movements you have to make manually. So they have provided one switch here. See, you can observe these are the two switches, right? These are the two symbols. This is lock and this is unlock. So make it unlock, right? You can move it like this. Once your position get done, right? You just make it lock like this. Now it will not move. Come close. This is nothing but your what we can say that steering, right? Once you unlock the machine from here, with help of steering you can change the direction, right? to make it lock, you have to press like this. Next is again, I just unlock the machine. See, you can make it movement like this. For this movement, you have to use this lock. Once your position get decided, I can make it lock. Next thing, again, if you want to move only CM like this, for this you have to use this switch, right? Now I just make it lock. Now position of CM get done. Come close. See, in this mode, sometimes suppose what happen, you are not satisfied with the quality of image. If ABS will be selected, you can't adjust the kV. If you want to adjust kV manually, first off you have to switch off the ABS. Now I can increase or decrease kV. See, you can observe here like that, right? It's decreasing, it's increasing, right? And if ABS gets selected, you can't change the kV. Got it? So you have to go for the change in the kV manually. First you have to switch off the ABS, right? These are nothing but live fluoro mode. If you want to extra high definition image, you just use this type of modes. Okay, so this is nothing but basic things regarding to the control panel. Now come to the workstation. So before taking procedure, what you have to do, so you can observe there are new patient, emergency, and delete the study. If you don't have time to fill up the data of the patient, you directly go for emergency. But right now we have time, so I just go into the new patient, right? So for that, what you have to do, you have to fill up the PID like that, right? Now suppose patient name, we make it test, okay? Then age, suppose we'll make it like this, suppose 33, sex, suppose it's a male, right? And after completion of this, you just go for OK. Now your patient has been saved. See, test, right, male, and this is nothing but patient ID which is generated on the screen. After that, directly you have to give the shoot and you will get the image, okay, on the machine. So for the showing one just simple, I will give one shoot, right? Yeah, you just do one shoot. Normal shoot is there. You take for that. First you have to adjust kV, make it 45 because yeah, okay. You will get one image. It's not a clear image because kV MA settings are not proper, right? So first of all we have to make kV and MA settings. Now I have adjusted properly kV and MA and I will get the image. Okay, this is the proper image you get, right? So next thing, if you want to transfer this image from left to right for the comparing, you just click on the right, so image get moves at the right side, right? So sometime for the study purpose, for the Rajiv Gandhi Yojana, we want to take these images in the pen drive. So how to take it inside the pen drive, I will show you. 1 minute, give me pen drive. So a lot of functions are there. You can give directly print, you can save image for the future use. And always remember, you have to think this is nothing but related to the memory. Once its memory get overloaded more than 50%, you have to delete the data. If it get more than 50%, your machine gets slowed down. So you have to remember this thing. Now this is the slot which is provided from the pen drive. So we'll connect the pen drive. In this way I have connected pen drive. Right? Then you have to go into the pen drive symbol. Okay. So first of all, before go to this, we have to save the image, right? So I have not saved this image. So now image gets saved, right? Then you have to go to pen drive. Now image gets saved, right? So I have selected this image. I want to save into the pen drive. Different modes are there: BMP, JPG, PNG. So maximum time, suppose we are using JPG image, and you just copy the thing, and image exported successfully inside the pen drive, right? And you can detach the pen drive. You will get the image inside the pen drive. Now your procedure has been completed. How to switch off the machine, right? First you have to make it switch off from this side. Then you have to press this switch, right? Machine get switch off. Next thing, we just first of all end patient, right? So you have to right. Do you want to close the exam in entry, right? You have to close the exam, right? Your patient exam will be closed and you can directly switch off the machine from main power supply. 1 minute. Once you switch off the machine, you have to roll this power cord properly. How you handle the machine's life will be depend upon handling of the machine. Once you roll overall power cord properly, put it like this. Then again you have to remove this cable. Just make it like this. Right? I have removed the cable. Roll it and put on the machine. Okay? So this is the basic application training regarding to the SIA. Thank you.